Good day also, welcome back to our channel. So many people that are going into the minibus business are now stopped in getting to know if to buy the old model or the new model. Most mechanics will tell them to buy the old model. Some people on the street, other driver, buy the old model, buy the old model. So in this video, we are going to be answering the question between the new model and the old model Suzuki Every and the Daihatsu Hijet minibuses. Which one is advisable to buy in 2026? We are not just going to be talking about that alone. We'll talk about on the basis of performance, the design, the suspension, the comfort, the pricing, availability of spare parts, and the whole lot of things. So please sit back and watch, especially if you intend buying a minibus in 2026. This will be very helpful. So let's get started. Before we further ahead, let's show you the pictures of both the new model and the old model. This particular one you are seeing here is the older model. So this particular one is the one they are rushing. Then these ones you are seeing from here now are the new models. So those ones are the new models, and the years varies from the 210 to 8 up. So it all depends. Let's start with the exterior design. The old model comes with a simple square exterior design, older headlight and the rear lights, and the design is not that enticing. It doesn't suit the new age. But for the new model, you get modern grille. Some come with chrome at the front, while they come with better headlights, improved aerodynamics, and very attractive. The latest model looks like Hummer bus, like if you are driving this car. In fact, it goes well as a private vehicle and also as a commercial vehicle. So for the exterior design, definitely I'll give it to the new model, because nobody will go to ancient when you have modern. On the basis of interior, the new model comes with a very cool interior. Some come with cup holders. Even some of them, the steering knob has been moved to the dashboard. So aside from that, some new models also comes with a lot of features on the inside. Some come with power door opening and closing. So there are so many improved features on the new model. So if I'm to advise you, new model offers more comfort. Even the suspension on the new model has been tuned to offer more comfort to the people in the cabin when compared with the older model. Coming over to the engine on both models are just the same 660cc 3-cylinder engine. There is turbo, there is the normal one. So for the engine, they share the same engine. But for the newer models definitely know that the engine has been tuned a bit to offer more power and performance. And also for newer models, you get a newer engine on it, because the older model engine has been running like that for a long time. So definitely the engine of the new models will serve better if you take care of your bus very well. For the fuel economy, they share almost the same fuel economy, but the newer models takes less fuel because they have been designed to offer less fuel consumption when compared with the older model. So, but for the fuel consumption, the newer model, I'll definitely give it to it, because it will save you a whole lot of cost. For the driving experience, the older model comes with heavier steering. Definitely, you get more engine noise and the rougher ride. But for the new model, if you get a new model, a clean one, that especially the type I deliver, you get a clean interior, smooth ride with quiet cabin. Once you knock am AC, my brother, forget am. The suspension and the steering system on the model is top notch. Coming to the maintenance cost, both share the same maintenance cost. Parts are readily available anywhere. And also coming over to the spare parts are everywhere, both for the old and the new model. So you got nothing to worry about. Then let's wrap it up with the pricing. Pricing for the old model right now moved to 3.9 million naira for the automatic transmission, and goes up to 4 million naira, while the manual transmission is 4,400,000 to 4,500,000. Some even sell 4,600,000 naira. If you are looking for the belt will stick that self very well, because belt is always very scarce. But for the new model, you can get a new model starting at 3,700,000 naira for the turbo version, and the 3.8 million naira for the standard one with everything working perfectly well. For the manual for new model, you can get it within the range of 4 million naira to 4.2 million, 4.3 million naira, depending on how neat and the specs the bus comes with. Before we wrap it up, let's talk about the one that the consumers prefer most. Most people prefer the new model. You can go around and ask. They always like to enter the new model when compared with the older model. So the new model is very enticing and the people love it. So I would advise you, if you are going for a bus, you can get the new model. It will save you cost and save you stress. You will definitely love it. I have a customer who came the other time for old model. based on price issue. He later came back for the new model, and today he's enjoying his bus. So please, if you need the bus, both the old model and the new model, the belts, the chain, the 3 plus, 4 plus, anyone, please do what to reach out to me on at Alpha Luxury Waste Limited on 081 07 99 2356. You can call via normal call or WhatsApp. Anyone, I'm always available to deliver. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.